Tyler West, 26, made it to Blackpool with the other Strictly Come Dancing stars, but sadly bowed out over the weekend. He has now posted a montage of farewell photos, along with the admission he is gutted to be leaving. Fans were fuming last night as they declared Shirley Ballas had made the wrong call, amid a tense standoff between Tyler and Molly Reinford. However, Tyler was all smiles despite his disappointment as he shared his feelings with more than 80,000 followers. And just like that, our Strictly journey has come to an end. We are gutted but so grateful, he confided on Instagram. We have loved every single second dancing each week. But most of all, we wanted to say the biggest thank you for all of your support to get us this far. He continued in his emotional exit post, "It genuinely means the world. We danced Blackpool." Tyler gave a fond shout-out to the best crew and everyone behind the scenes, expressing his gratitude to have been part of one of the nation's most loved shows. "It's an unreal feeling going out there each week, a feeling we are truly going to miss. Thank you for being part of our Strictly 22, he wrote. The emotional celeb also gave a final nod to runner Kieran Foley, who he affectionately nicknamed Chezza. "The best runner we could have asked for, one of the most talented in showbiz, anyone would be lucky to have him," he gushed. The comments were flooded with messages from fellow stars such as pro dancer Gorka Marquez, who wrote, "Gonna miss you both, brother." Claudia Winkleman also took to Instagram to declare earnestly, "You are brilliant. We'll miss you so much." 20. A gutted Zoe Ball hinted she had expected Tyler to go all the way in the competition, exclaiming, "We had you guys down for the final." Dan Walker, who danced on Strictly with Nadia Beachkova last year, sent a flame emoji, declaring, "You've been brilliant to watch." Nancy Shue, who has partnered with Will Miller and is tipped to take their performance all the way to the final, described Tyler and Diane as two beautiful souls whom she loved watching. Former Strictly champ Stacey Dooley weighed in on the matter too, writing, "Aw man. You were finalists for me. I always found Tyler one of the most entertaining ones to watch." Meanwhile, Molly Reinford expressed her sorrow to see them leave, using the hashtag #TeamTitty as she said goodbye to the incredible pair. Craig Revel Horwood and Motsi Mabuse had both cast their vote for Molly to go through last week. After only Anton Dubaka voted for Tyler, Shirley Ballas had the final say and she sealed his fate. Both of the couples in the bottom two had received a respectable 35 points out of 40, which tied them with Nancy and Will, despite the huge popularity of all three couples with audiences. Meanwhile, Floriste had a dramatic turnaround thanks to her dance performance to a Destiny's Child Megamix, which saw her awarded a mammoth 40 points out of 40.